Alrighty, so now we have to actually fix this code so that this form of add location actually posts properly into the database. So I'm going to take a look at locations. Location ID, location code, name, address, primary key, unique code, user ID, constraint. Okay. And I'm going to say into this, I'm going to say update the, what do you even call it? Update the add dash location dot handlebars to update the database table, and this should give me everything. And here's the updated database table. Is it really updated though? Does this look any different? Location ID int not null, auto increment, location code varchar not null, name, address, user ID, primary key, location ID, unique key, location code, key. I mean, this is these constraints. IBFK underscore 1, foreign key, user ID, references, user ID. Okay, that looks the same. Right? Okay, and then we'll have to add, so here you go, add. This is that render page. But this here is to handle the post request for the new yada yada yada. Okay, so we go into app here, put this by the other frickin' post. Maybe we can just put that there. Add new location. We've already added that, right? And now we have to add this also, which is our navbar or our handlebars file of add. I don't know why it's adding these font awesome styles in there suddenly. Let's restart our server. Take a look at our progress this far. Password. There, add a location. Is that everything? Location code. Location code. Well, maybe we can just let it be whatever we want it to be. Give me 1 second. I'm going to location code. We'll call this hosp 001. The so have a look here. Let's just make sure that this works. Let's look in the database. Okay, so that worked, but location needs to be more robust, right? Because ultimately this app is going to run reports based on more granular information, so we have to update our locations file. So let's modify this code. I want address to request more individual granular information. So let's do, so instead of just address, let's ask for street address, city, state, zip, country. No, just city, state, zip. Oh, do I want to add one more thing in there? Yeah, why don't we call it region? Right? City. Yeah, let's do that. So now we're going to get this updated handlebars, which is going to request this information more granularly. So we'll update that. Add location is now that. It's decided to take those fonts out. This is our new route. This is our new post route in app.js, which is this. I don't want it to redirect to that. I want it to redirect to add product. And I have to update, give me the update, no, give me an SQL statement that will add the necessary columns to the locations table. Now we have that. Go into MySQL Workbench. We just click this, and then we restart our server, and we go add location, we go John Doe, we go my password, and now we can add locations. Wow, but there's no nav bar, so let me fix that real quick. So if I go back to add product, you can see I have this right in my main container. So we go back here. Man, that looks like crap. All right, so let's just have it. Let's update the add location file to look like the rest of this app, and make sure it uses the navbar partial. Okay, that's probably why it was missing that. It just gave me the updated form. Yeah, where I was missing all of that, and it, yep, see all that. That was my goof up. Sorry. Alright, that was my goof up. My bad. And we're gonna go back here. It still doesn't look right, right? Let's fix that. You know why? That's how it's supposed to look. Now we can add locations. Maybe we can. Oh no. Okay. Let me prep up some data. All right, so I've got this data prepped up. Let's select star from locations. Okay, we'll click this button. Oh, we caught an error. Show me the route again for this. Did I update it? Okay. Let me just make sure that that's proper in app.js, which is add-location post, which it looks. Gonna rerun this. Still broken. But all right, I'm gonna keep debugging this. I'll let you know.